Hey everybody, it's Jason here with Hydrofin. In this video today, we've got a 2021 Sun Tracker. It's an 18-foot boat with a 60 horsepower motor. And in this video, you can see the before and after effects of adding the Hydrofin system. So for pontoon boats, the system that we recommend is called our Superfly. And with the Superfly system, it's got two large hydrofoils that mount in the center of the boat, just forward of the center of gravity, and then two smaller hydrofoils that are in the back. The two large ones, they do all the work, they do all of the lifting, so they're going to lift the entire boat, but the majority of that lift is going to be directed on the front half of the boat. The rear foils really don't, they lift a little bit, but their purpose is really for pitch control and stability, particularly at higher speeds. So the way that these hydrofoils work is they lift the boat as it accelerates. So with speed, the lifting force increases. And so on a double pontoon boat, typically what we see is the front of the boat is going to ride about 12 inches higher, and the back of the boat is going to ride 3 to 5 inches higher. So we're trying to lift, or we want to lift the entire boat, but focus the lift on the front to get it up and out of the water completely. So on average, we'll see a speed improvement between 5 and 10 miles an hour and about a 30 to 40% fuel savings at your average cruise speed. So if you've got a boat that is, let's say, a 20 or 22 foot boat and you're running a 90 or a 115 horsepower motor on it, you're actually going to see closer to like 8 to 10 miles an hour speed improvement on those boats. If you've got an 18-foot boat with a 60 or 75 horse motor on it, you're probably going to see a speed improvement somewhere between 4 and 6 miles an hour typically on those boats. So as you can see here, the front of the boat is riding completely out of the water compared to before it was actually just plowing through the water. And so that's what these hydrofoils do.